Happy Monday, everybody. Today's Macro Monday. And here's a macro mystery I get asked all the time. When you're tracking carbs, does fiber count? The short answer, fiber doesn't raise blood sugar, but that doesn't mean you can eat unlimited amounts of fiber and still lose weight. Carbohydrates come in different forms. Some spike blood sugar, others don't. Fiber is technically a carb, but your body can't digest it in the same way. So there are two main types of fiber. There's soluble fiber, which dissolves in water and gets fermented in your gut. You'll find it in chia seeds, flax seed, avocado, and berries. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and keeps things moving. Things like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, nuts, and skins of berries. So neither soluble or insoluble fiber directly raises blood sugar. That's why people often subtract fiber from the total carbs to get net carbs. So here's the problem. Not all fiber is created equal. Processed foods like keto, tortillas, and bars often add fake fibers or sugar alcohols that don't spike insulin in some people. And even with natural fiber, those short-chain fatty acids created in your gut still provide calories. So if you're insulin resistant or highly carb sensitive, net carbs might be misleading. I know for me, if I go much over 20 total carbs, my fat loss stops. That's not because of fiber itself, but because my body simply does better with a tighter carb threshold. So I've had clients who swore they were under 20 net carbs, but their progress was stalled. Once they switched to tracking total carbs under 20 grams, the weight started moving again. Sometimes it's the simplest strategy that's often the most effective. So here's your strategy. If you're new, start with total carbs. Start with total carbs. It's consistent and leaves less room for error. And as you learn your body's response, you can experiment with net carbs. But don't let food labels trick you into thinking 20 grams of added fiber makes junk food keto friendly, because that's not true. So this has been your Macro Monday Daily Spoonful. Fiber is technically a carb, but it's not the same as sugar or starch. Track smart, focus on real food, and let your results guide you.